Are you reading closely and looking? Let's circle the question mark and go back to the beginning of the sentence. It says, what was the total number of M&Ms? Let's cross out the R and the U because we already underlined. The next R stands for read the details. It says, Mrs. Cantu had 4 bags of M&Ms to share with her class. Each bag had 8 M&Ms. So let's cross it out. Let's circle some clues. I know this is about Mrs. Cantu. I know that she had 4 bags of M&Ms. And I know that each bag had 8 M&Ms. And we want to know what was the total number of M&Ms. So now that we've done that, we don't really need to label anything. So let's start our 3-step. My first question that I'm going to ask myself is, what should I do first? The main idea. The main idea is going to say, what is the total number of M&Ms? Next question is, what do I know? Well, I know this is about Mrs. Cantu. I know she had 4 bags of M&Ms, and I know that each bag had 8 M&Ms. And we're looking for the total number of M&Ms. So I actually put in some candy inside of 4 baggies. There's 8 here. There's 8 here. This is 2 baggies. She had 3 and 4 baggies. So for the next question, which is how can I represent that in a strip diagram, we're just going to take what we're seeing here, and we're going to draw that in a picture in our strip diagram. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and we have 8 in each group. So let me draw that. I'm going to make my strip nice and long. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and I'm going to label that underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. That's for the 4 bags. And I know that inside of every bag there are 8 M&Ms. So there should be 8 in each. And also I know that this is about Mrs. Cantu and she had her M&Ms. What I don't know is how many she had in total. So I'm going to put a question mark at the top. So I'm going to use my strip diagram and I'm going to match it up with an action word on my action poster, and I notice that it matches up with put together equal sets because I'm putting together the same number again and again and again. I'm putting together the 8 and the 8 and the 8. And the operation for put together equal sets is multiplication, so I'm going to write my clue off to the side. Something else that can help you remember is look at how many times you see the 8. I see it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So when you write your number sentence, it should be easy because that's the same thing as saying 4 groups with 8 in each group. And we need to figure out what that's going to equal to. You can sing the 4 song until you have 8 fingers, or you can do an area model. But because this is, we know the 4 song, let's just sing the 4 song. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So our answer here is 32, and we're going to put that at the top where the question mark was, and we're going to circle.